Good morning, everybody. Today, I'll teach you the grasshopper and ant, the grasshopper and the ant from your English textbook, page number 161. Please open your Marigold book. Once, please read with me. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He didn't like to work. All day long he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. Actually, this story you have already read. Sometime you have seen also in your smart class also. So, I'm just telling that this story has written some English writer, and so that's why this story plot is from a Western country. But here also we can see same things. An ant, it was very hard-working animal, and at the same time, not only the ant, many persons also too much hard-working. And at the same time, I am just telling the grasshopper is not at all hardworking. And here, hardworking, not only the hardworking, he was playing, laughing, and enjoying. Okay, enjoying the page number I have written, beta. Page number I have written, Pratushna, 167. So, if he is enjoying. But when there is also, Shrestha, why you are sending all this picture? So, here one thing, they are just telling that it is in snowing. But can you notice that in rainy season, before rainy season, in our country also, in our place also, some aunties taking food for storing it, okay, for storing it, because rain is coming. So ant is hardworking, too much hardworking animal. So this is moral story. We are also, if we are also hardworking, we will succeed in future. Ant is thinking for future, and grasshopper is not thinking for future. For the person, those who works hard, those who are thinking for future, and they will be successful. Okay? So that's the moral of the story. So please read with me. Look at me. I am as happy as can be. The grasshopper laughed at the hardworking ants as they worked day and night. So they worked day and night. Who that? Ant is working too much. Ant is a hard-working animal because it is storing the food. It is storing the food for winter. We are storing grain for long winter ahead. Grain means some cereals. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Ahead means just it is coming. They replied, the lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. The summer ended and the cold winter arrived. Shrestha, what is this? Why you are sending this picture? It's a math, no? So, cold winter arrived. The wind blew strong and started snowing. The grasshopper now began to worry. There is no food to eat, no grass, no flowers or leaves. I can't see even the tiniest fly or worm. What will I do? I will surely starve. And grasshopper, whenever winter comes, that time it was flying, but it could not see any grass, any flower, because that time the land is fully covered with snow. Okay, fully covered with snow. Upasha, now please read with me. After that I will tell. So it is covered with snow. There is no flower, no worm. He is telling the tiniest fly or worm. Small worm also he cannot see. What will I do? I will surely starve. Starve means cause suffer or cause die for that hungriness, for hunger. Without any food. So it is suffering, it will suffer. The grasshopper remembered how the hard-working ant had stored away grain for the winter. He knocked at the door. He was thinking that, okay, let me meet my kind neighbor, the ant. Kind neighbor, he is telling that. So, the grasshopper remembered how the hard-working ant had stored away grain for the winter. He knocked at her door. Okay, knocked at the door. Dear ant, I am hungry and cold. I have nothing to eat. Please, I stressed why you have joined wrongly. You have just answered. Sometime you have joined. That time also oak joined and answer is given here. Sister, you are in the pine. Please read the English now. Not in the oak. Okay? Sister, please. So, she slammed her door shut and the ant shook in anger. Lazy one. What are you doing in summer? You are only singing and dancing. You should have thought of the cold winter months ahead. Go away. She slammed her door shut. The lazy grasshopper was left as hungry as before. Slammed means just shut the door forcefully. Okay, so it is like this. And please read the story and you should think how you can tell the story. So this is the story for the moral values. And I think you can understand the story. Okay, let me see. Reza, please, I told you that don't touch any that key of the mobile. You are doing always these things. Reza, please. And Shrestha, please, you are in to pine, not into oak. So you are, whatever you are writing, I am getting that. Okay? So please don't do Shrestha. Sister, you are not into oak, you are into pine. So please do like this. Term to syllabus, whatever I am teaching, that is term to syllabus. I think you will get in the website, then I will ask sir, if I can give to you. Today I will just finish that story, no? And whatever I am, just teach, I have taught and now also I am teaching, that is in your term to syllabus. And YouTube class also, you can see that. So here, some meanings are there. That is a moral story, and that Nihan has written that, adapted from Aesop's Fables. Fables means also some small stories that has moral value. So from this story, we have learned the moral value that everybody should be hardworking. They should not sit lazily. If they are hardworking, in future they will be successful. They will get good result. That is the value of the story. So here some word you have also get, and oh Suzanne, I just told you, again I will tell after some time. So here please write the meaning. Hardworking, Those who works hard. Those who worked hard and next arrived, reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached, next slammed, S-L-A-M-M-E-D, slammed, shut the door, forcefully, shut the door forcefully, and if anyone tiniest, T-I-N-I-E-S-T, tiniest means smallest, starve, S-T-A-R-V-E, cause, suffer, cause or suffer, or we can write only suffer, suffer for hunger, suffer or die from hunger. Noma means Reza. Okay, I am just telling, please write this and learn all this. Shrestha, again you are in class 2 Pine, not in 2 Oak. Beta, please. You can join in 2 Pine, not in 2 Oak, and you are giving answer. Here answer is coming. Okay. So here some starved, slammed. If any problem is there, please tell me. Those who are here, let me see. Nihan, Protushna, Purbayon, Reza. Snigdha, stop recording. Rithojit. Rithosri, Rithojit, Samriddha Mondal, Saptarshi, Saptarshi Kundu, Saptarshi Malik, Sheikh Chad, Firoz Haq, Wasim, Snigdha Ghosh, Somagni, Suzan, Upasho. Upasho, I am not telling you. I am telling to Shrestha. So here, some words meaning I have written. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Any meaning, if you want. Starve, I have written, beta. You cannot see that. I think here I can write. Starve means starve, cause, die, or suffer from hunger. Okay, Rithosri, you are not in a far, you are in Pine. Now 3 sections are not there. So here, please, arrived means reach, slammed means shut the door forcefully, tiniest means smallest. If any meaning, please tell me. If any meaning you need, please tell me. Another any meaning? Please write to me. Then the next day I will write the question answer. Please read the story ahead. Obviously, ahead means before. Before that, arrived I have written, beta. You did not see that? Arrived means reached. R-E-A-C-H, Reza, you are not listening at properly. Somebody, you are not listening properly, you are not looking at the board properly. Ritojit, starve I have already written. Please look at the board. Nihan also, haven't you seen that? Starve I have written in the here, cause, die or suffer from hunger. Oh my God, Srestha, again you are sending. Beta, please, Srestha. Next day you will not join. You will see the routine of Pine. You are in class 2 Pine, so routine of Pine you will join in 2 Pine, okay? This is class 2 Pine, not Upasho in Oak. So, today up to this, I think you are not having any problem of any meaning. So, read the story thoroughly, okay? And surely means certainly. 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 Okay. Slammed. Nihan, haven't you seen? Slammed I have written here. Shut the door forcefully. Shook. S-H-E-E. Shook in. Shake from shook. Okay. Sex means also tremble. Shook in an anger. Okay then beta, any problem now? I think no. So okay, bye. I have taken also your attendance. Those who are present, write P. Upasho, last means tiniest, smallest, ahead, before. Tiniest, smallest and ahead, before. Ahead, before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Here, tiniest, smallest, I am just writing that. Tiniest, smallest. And ahead means before. Tiniest, smallest. And slammed means shut the door forcefully. And knocked. Knocked means just doing sound for calling someone. Okay. Okay, Protushna, I think you are not having any problem. Okay, beta, very good. Those who are completed and those who are not completed, please complete it. I'll give in the YouTube class. Thank you. Have a nice day.